Cape Ann is the birthplace of the American fishing industry. For centuries, fishermen have left this port in Gloucester in search of Atlantic cod. Permission to come aboard?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Let's
do it. Thank you, Roger.
We're good to go.
And even though the fishermen and the cod have suffered a perfect storm of hard times, you can still find a captain to take you out for a day on the water. So what is it about fishing, Roger, that you love so much?
It's everything, Kevin, about being outside. You have the ocean, you have people, you have boats, you have fish. It's just a tremendous place to spend a day.
You catch one every once in a while, right?
Once in a while. You know, down home I might get striped bass. Out here it's probably going to be haddock and maybe a cod, even though they're out of season right now.
Okay, Mike, where have you brought us?
We're in a place called the Pasture, about 5 miles out of Gloucester here.
What, 200 feet to the bottom or so?
We get 200 feet to the bottom, 197 feet.
What did we say, Roger? We got $100 on who brings in the first fish?
One of those guys,
Yeah, I got
huh?
something.
That's a haddock.
What do we got, Lex? What do you got there, Roger?
What do I got here? I got, I believe, a pollock.
I didn't know they had minnows in Gloucester.
You know, the hard ones to catch are the little ones, you know. That's a beauty.
All right, Mike, I'm gonna need another piece of bait there. What are we using?
These are a local sea clam that are caught in these waters,
Yeah.
and they're excellent for catching cod and haddock. They also make a good chowder if we don't catch any fish. Roger! It's a cod!
Hey!
No, I'm sorry, it's a haddock.
Oh.
False alarm.
Nice job, Roger. Nice job. Roger, you might be in the way. This guy's tail might flap you right in the face.
You guys.
Oh.
That's a minnow.
You've got a small baby cod.
Look at that, huh?
Yeah, they get bigger than that, of course.
Yep. 3 dorsals on the top. Look at the beautiful coloring.
Beautiful color. That's our state fish, codfish.
Well, he's going back in.
All right, let him go.
Oh, you got something, Roger.
Got a fish.
Yeah.
Haddock?
Look at that. Haddock?
That's a nice haddock right there.
That is a nice haddock. Look at that guy right there.
I got him.
Let's put a tape on him.
18.
For camera, let's do that again.
21.
42!
Oh my God!
Holy
State
It's
record.
smokes!
It's a monster.
We need a bigger boat.
You gotta replace your bait there. He got away. Why'd you let him get away?
I didn't.
You gotta think like a fish. Try again.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.